Dear students, welcome to PISQE Learning Program. This is Chemistry 8 Week 3 Lesson 2. In last session we discussed water cycle that start with evaporation of water from water bodies. Next, these water vapors condense to form clouds, and when clouds pass through cold temperatures they turned into rain. And this is how cycle continues. Dear students, in today's lesson we will talk about water pollution. As you all know, 75% of Earth's surface is covered with water. Unfortunately, we have been constantly polluting our rivers, seas and other water bodies. So what is water pollution? It is the contamination of water resources with harmful substances. And this contamination is mostly caused by human activities. Water pollution affects the entire biosphere. This water pollution is the second most important environmental issue after air pollution. Dear students, here we will do the comparison of water pollution in urban and rural areas. As you know that urban areas are much more developed and are at greater risk of water pollution. There is a lot of transportation in urban areas, which means more vehicles. So pollutants from car parks and transport such as oil, brake fluid and exhaust gases get into rainwater and cause water pollution. Some gases like nitrogen oxides and sulfur dioxide dissolve in rainwater and make it acidic. This phenomena is also known as acid rain. Do you understand? You know that our lifestyle demands many products that are synthesized in factories and industries, and usually, they are found in urban areas. On the one hand, they provide us beneficial products, but on the other hand, they cause water pollution. Their waste product contains poisonous chemicals is dumped usually into river and sea, causing water pollution. These chemicals are very poisonous to marine life. Dear students, you might have observed yourself that surface runoff also cause water pollution. In both rural and urban areas. As the rainwater runs along a surface, it picks up heavy metals, minerals, silt, detritus, and oil, causing water pollution. Dear students, sewage or domestic household also produce wastewater that causes water pollution. Sewage is a term used for wastewater that often contains urine and laundry waste. Dear students, do you know how fertilizers cause water pollution? As you know that we apply pesticides and chemicals to the soil for better production of crops. These chemicals are also washed away with rainwater, causing water pollution. Dear students, if you ever had visited rural areas, you may have an idea that rural places are smaller than urban places. Which means they have fewer places to take trash, so most people dump their trash into the water, which causes trash to take over the water and pollute it. Dear students, you know what? Land development in rural areas also called water pollution. As water flow through the rain into stream and river and eventually into the sea, it pick up all kinds of pollutants such as sand, silt and clay from erosion. Is it clear so far? Oil spillage is accidental or intentional release of liquid petroleum hydrocarbon into ocean or sea due to human activity mainly. These chemical compounds also affect the marine life. Dear students, so you know over the last decade, we have produced more plastic than we have in the last 100 years. This sharp increase in plastic entering our waters harms not only marine life but also humanity. Plastic kills fish, birds, marine mammals and sea turtles and destroys habitats. Okay, dear students, I hope you understand this lesson. If you have any query, feel free to ask. This is all for today. See you soon.